Hey all, so I just wanted to share a quick video on the Atrium Vault. It's a cool feature in Atrium, speaks directly to the persistence story of Atrium, where the idea is that anything that you do in Atrium is stored locally so that you can resume, recover, no matter what happens. And the Vault is kind of that user-facing version of the feature. So what it is this little Vault icon in your tab bar, present in both orientations, of course. But you click this and you get this little window that has three tabs: Saved, History, and Snapshots. And what these are, saved is any rooms or panes that you've explicitly saved for later access. History is anything that you've closed. It gets stored in here so you can access it, recover it later. And then snapshots is basically a record of all of the commits made on your Atrium user directory. So your Atrium user directory is just a Git repository that stores all of your settings, your workspace config, everything like that. And Atrium commits periodically on a cadence that you can configure in settings to that repository. So if anything ever goes wrong, you can always recover it from here, as long as that repository is not completely destroyed. It'll be in your Git history and you can recover easily. What we can do from here is I'll show you history first. Basically, I can hit this play button and anything that's in my history, quickly resume it. It's also full text search, so I'll get search across all of my sessions, my rooms, my panes, everything. Very easy, a lot easier than trying to use the session resume in Claude Code or Codex or whatever harness you use in CLI. So in addition to that, what I can do is, let's say I launch an Opus agent, and then I launch a browser next to it, and then I launch a Git view source control next to that. What we can do here is I can actually go to the room here on the sidebar and hit Save to Vault, and we'll call this room test room 1. Boom, it's saved. So now if I close this room ever, what I can do is I can go into my vault, go to saved, test room 1, hit play, and it's all recovered. Now, in addition to that, let's say I like the configuration here in my mosaic and I want to use it again, but I don't necessarily want all the same content there. I just click this and I can see what's present here. So I can actually choose which ones I want to restore to their previous state, or if I just want to open them up as a template. Or I can minimize this and I can just open the whole thing as a template. So if I hit this, what we get is, you see this is just a Claude instance. It's not actually resuming that session. So it just opened my template mosaic, which is really cool. And that's pretty much the Vault. I mean, it's really useful. You can filter by adapter sessions, terminals, browsers, etc. Your history snapshot is just a click here, restore. When you restore, it'll restart the app with that restored state, and that's it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward to use, but super powerful, especially if you like templates, or if you like to just close sessions to get them out of your way, but you don't want to actually lose them and you want a quick way to search and find them. And that's it. Really powerful. Test it out if you ever have any concerns about your data, your persistence, things like that. Just another great feature of Atrium that I love and has saved my neck on a number of occasions. So yeah, test it out. Get atrium.dev. Thanks guys. See ya.